Hi everyone, in the following video we are going to present how to deduce pi, and the members of the team are...
My name is Diego.
My name is Jimena Tejeda.
And me, Karina Gomez.
In 1941, Armenia was able to obtain the first 2037 decimals of pi. Maybe it's the most famous number of all. The relationship between the length of a circle and its diameter in the Euclidean geometry, pi is an irrational number. The value of pi has been obtained with various approximations throughout history, being one of the mathematical constants that most appear in the equation of physics. The current record is this number, and was calculated by Daisuke Takahashi. In the year 263 of our era, the Chinese Liu calculated its value as 3.14159, a nearer of less than 1 in a million.
In 1941, William Rutherford calculated 208 decimals, of which only the first 152 were correct. William's next an amateur mathematician of English origin spent about 20 years to calculate pi and came to get 707 decimals in 1941. A computer in NAC was able to break the previous records when obtained the first 2.037 decimals on pi. In 1954, Anorak exceeded the barrier of 300 years ago by finding the first 3.092.
The materials are a calculator, some statement to size the circumference, a rule, an object with a circle shape. In this case, I'm using the top of a basket, and we are going to make sure that it's a perfect circle. First step is to size the circumference of the circle. For doing that, we need the statement, and we are going to surround as firm as possible. Then we are marking in the point where it reaches a complete round, just like this. As you can see, I'm marking it, and with scissors I'm gonna cut it. So with the rule, we are going to size all of this. The step number 2 is to size the diameter of the circle. The diameter length the circle from a side to another, passing through the central point, just like this. We mark it, and again we are going to size this with the rule. We have that circumference equals p per diameter, but this also equals 2 per p per radio. Now if we clear all of this formula, here we have that p equals circumference divided diameter. Now we're gonna use it with our sizes. This one is the size of the circumference, and this one is the size of the diameter. Here we have 139.5 divided 44.4. Here we have 3.1418. That is an approximate of p 3.1416. In conclusion, the result was really approximate to p. The formula worked successfully. Just we have to be careful about the sizes that we use so that the result can be as close as possible and does not change too much. We learned how to deduce pi with only 2 factors, and it helps us to practice with the themes of pi in general.